Hi everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5. It is spring and what? I'm back inside. We had like a snow. Yeah, of course. Hello, welcome to Michigan. But anyways, I'm here because I got an order in the mail from Baker Creek. This is called Aronia Melancarpa. It is a chokeberry. And Melancarpa am I saying that right? Aronia Melancarpa. And that Melancarpa means black berry is what it means. So anyways, these things are supposed to be like really good for you. I don't know, it might turn into the latest berry craze or something like that. I'm sure it's going to be crushed up and put into a pill or something. But anyways, they'll grow to about 3 to 5 feet tall. Here's a picture of the berry right here. This is the Baker Creek catalog. You can see my writing from going through it in the spring. Well, not in the spring, in the winter when it's cold out and I'm just dreaming of gardening. I want to go through my catalogs and find something wonderful. And that's what I did. And each one, let's see, what were they? Here's the receipt in the box. 2 plants, $14, and I got 4 plants. So one order was 2 plants per order, and so I got 2 orders of plants. Does that make sense? They came in a set, a pair, I guess. So, and these are going to go in the front in my big border for all my birds. You'll see about that a little bit. Well, I'll talk about it in the National Wildlife Federation because my yard is certified with them. But I'm building up a nice big border for all animals, really. Anybody who wants to come and hang out with us and will behave. So anyways, I wanted to show you my latest order. These plants are like super healthy. The only thing I don't care for is like, this is like a plug. It's just a bare root plug. So it almost kind of forces you to have to do something about it. But for right now, I'm going to leave them in the baggie, and I've got it folded down so I don't get too much moisture in there, and my leaves are going to get all moldy and nasty, and then I won't have my bushes to put out. But they both, I mean, they both really look very, very healthy. We've got some new growth on the top. If I'm forced to, I will just put them in pots, plant them in pots for now, and then plant them out later on. From what I understand, they are fast growers, so even having them really small like this, it's not going to be like a holly or my hollies out back that take forever. And if you guys have any ideas about that, I have a shady area where I wanted to put up like a green fence, but it looks like I'm going to have to go with something deciduous, which is kind of fine here in Michigan as long as it leaves out early, because in the winter I'm not out back there hanging out anyways, you know. So, but I would like something that grows fast, so I'm kind of looking around and seeing what I can't do there, because I don't think I'm going to be able to grow a conifer, you know, something that's an evergreen that's going to keep its leaves all year round. So anyways, that's about it on this shipment. I've got some more things to share with you guys that's going on. Can't wait to do that. I'm ready to get back outside. I'm going to check some things out, see how they're growing, see what's coming up, because I am seeing some green leaves hanging out in the garden, poking their heads up through all the dried up tree leaves that I put around them. So that will be coming out soon, and the beds will be refreshed, and I'll take you along for that. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.